Hi everyone. In the previous lab, we did jump server. Basically, created a public IP in jump server and removed it from secret VM. And then we went inside we networking and create some RDP rules with the IP address and destination ports. But there's another way to connect with your, the virtual machine directly using Bastion. This is managed by Microsoft, and it's a lot easier than logging into one machine and jumping to another one. So basically, we had this jump server and secret VM. But what if we want to directly go to the secret VM and we want to connect with this one because it has no public IP. So before I do that, I actually need to remove my RDP rules, which I created in my previous session. So to do that, I'll just simply delete. Let's say yes. So this will delete my previous rule, so I won't be able to connect with my target VM. So I'll just remove this one. So now, so if I go to my overview and say that I want to connect with this machine through Bastion, you click on use Bastion. See, I got an error now, basically, because to log into this machine, you need to have a subnet in place in order to connect to this Azure, to this secret VM. So first we need to create a subnet. So if I go to the overview, go to my network, go to subnet and click on subnet, and it should have the same name as they mentioned there. I'll click on save. So now this subnet will link with our Azure Bastion. So now if I go to my virtual machine and secret VM, and now if I want to connect SSH for Linux, Bastion for Windows, if I go here, use Bastion, why is it? Okay, we'll have to wait. Let's see if the virtual network is in place yet. Subnets. This one has the subnets now, so that should do the job. I just want to make sure the rule is deleted. Okay, that's fine. Connect Bastion. So use Bastion. Okay, now see the error has gone now. We need to have a public IP address, which is not with the jump server, that it will create on its own IP in order to connect with this one. So everything remains the same. I'll just hit on create, and it will now create the Bastion environment for our secret VM. Pardon me. So now it's successfully installed now. So what we just simply do is use the credentials and then the password which we set and see if we can connect with our virtual machine. So you click on connect. Come on, what's happening? Oh no, oh yeah, I actually forgot. I deleted Bastion. I need to set up again. Just give me a moment. Oh, I hate some time with the Microsoft. It's just not deleting, but the concept is still there, which I showed you. Well, when you do Azure Bastion, you can just simply oh, it's deleted successfully. Really? Let's check. Connect Bastion, use Bastion. Everything okay. Create one automatically. Demo create one. I was gonna give up because it was taking so long, but let's see if it creates it. Okay, so now we have that successfully installed. I messed up a little before, so if I do test user now, and then if I do the same thing, password, that should open in another tab for my virtual machine, basically. So I now do not need to, go inside and install internet information services or anything login. This is a lot easier to do it, basically. So this was easy to do. So thank you for watching this video.